guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I talked to you guys about things that I love and things that I'm digging right now, and one of them was this Revlon triple barrel curling iron, and I asked if you guys wanted to see a hair tutorial, and so many of you said yes, so this is my first hair tutorial. This is stupid easy, but it does take a while. So, I mean, anybody can do it. You just gotta set aside the time to do it. I have seen this on people who have hair that's up to here, people that's, you know, down to, let's just say here, and it looks beautiful on every hair type that I've seen it on. I really do like it. It gives a lot of volume, and I have pretty much zero product in it. All I've put in is a heat protectant spray. Other than that, this is just me. Before we get into this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up if you like hair tutorials, and subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and smash that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, because I am being told that I'm not showing up in some subscription feeds, so hitting that notification bell is the best way to be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to learn how to do this big hair tutorial, stay tuned. Okay, so you're going to start with your hair however your normal hair texture is. This is my normal hair texture. It is completely pin straight and actually like kind of silky-ish. I did just wash it because I had curls in it before and I wanted to show you guys how it would be, you know, on my regular hair. But I would suggest doing this on second, third, fourth day hair, something like that. Something so your hair has a little grip. But here are the things that you are going to need for this look. The first and most important is your hair tool. I am using the Revlon Long Lasting Beachy Waves Hair Waver. This is a triple barrel curling iron, and I got it for $15.86 on Amazon. Now these are not a need, but I like to have some little clips so I can section off my hair, but you're not gonna section it off too precisely, as you're gonna see, so you might not even need these. I don't know why I'm gesturing with why. And the third thing is you're gonna want some sort of heat protectant for your hair, because this is clamping your hair in between some hot iron plates, so you want to protect your hair as much as possible. I am using up this bottle of the Chi Iron Guard that I have, but I do know that this is unfortunately not cruelty-free. So please leave your recommendations down below for a good cruelty-free hair protectant, because I really need one because it's a necessity. So you're going to take your heat protectant and just spray it throughout your hair and kind of work it through with your fingers. Make sure it is completely dry before you start with the heat tools, because otherwise you will singe your hair, and that is like a big frickin' fat no-no. Okay, you're gonna have to forgive me because I am gonna have to have like my mirror down here, so you're gonna see the top of it a little bit, but it's just so I can sort of see what I'm doing. Now you're gonna wanna, I don't know, I hesitate to use the phrase section off your hair because you don't want this to be too precise. You don't wanna sit here and do like exactly, you know, this much or this much, because you want it to be kind of crazy and wild. So the only reason that I section off my hair is to be able to see which sections I have already done and which I haven't. So I'm just literally gonna go like this and go like that. So I have no idea if this part is straight in the back. I almost hope that it's not, and it's just gonna fall right out. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. I currently have the iron set on the highest temperature, but if you have very fine hair or very damaged hair, you're gonna wanna put it on low. This doesn't give you a whole lot of options. They're just high, off, and low. High, low, and off, like just in order. The high is what works best for me. Test it out, see what's best for you. I'm gonna grab a section of what every hair beauty YouTuber says of about an inch, but I think this is more than an inch. Just a clump, really. And the first clamp, I want it to be kind of high. Do you see how much this is steaming? I want it to be kind of high because that's what's gonna give your hair the volume. So you put it in and you clamp it down. Try to keep it right in the middle of the iron. There for, I don't know, how many seconds, whatever you feel like. And then I open it and I just kind of move right down the line. As you get further down, leave it in less and less time, because this is where your hair is thinner and more easily damaged. Down here, I barely keep it in at all. I just do it for a second and voila. So you've got this kind of like nice beachy wave, which I'm loving. And then you wanna do your next section. I'm gonna do a smaller section this time, and it's good to kind of switch it up because that's what's gonna give you that volume and that not precise, crazy look. Okay, I have that first layer done. If you choose, this could be the part where you would put in hairspray or a texture spray or things like that. I'm weird, and other than heat spray, I really don't use a whole lot of product in my hair. I prefer for my hair to feel touchable and things like that, but feel free to use hairspray. Feel free to tease the hell out of your hair if you want to do it. This is just how I personally do my hair. So now I'm gonna take my hair down and I'm gonna do the next layer, and again, just be messy with it. Bonus, you get a super arm workout from doing this because my arms are already tired. Okay, for this final layer, I personally like to do smaller sections because that way the waves will be kind of more uneven and they will be a little bolder. So you can do it however you like, but this is how I go for it. Okay, so from start to finish, that took me about 25 minutes with talking and everything like that and not having a mirror behind me, and that usually helps me a whole lot. So bear that in mind. Again, ooh, I almost knocked over my light reflector. This is the part where you could tease your hair, where you can hairspray it, do whatever you want. The only thing I would recommend, wait until your hair has cooled down to start playing with it, because that will make sure that as much of the wave is gonna hold as possible. Once it does cool down, I literally just like to go like this and just fuck it up with my fingers. And because you have a lot of those waves so close to the scalp, you get instant volume. You kind of don't need to tease your hair too much or put too much product in it, I don't think, because it just goes up. So that's it, you guys. This is how you get kind of big, voluminous, beachy waves without, too much hair product in it, using that triple barrel curler. I hope you guys like this. I hope you found it easy to follow. Let me know if you're gonna be trying this, and if you do try it and do it, post pictures on Instagram, tag me, because I would love to see, what you guys come up with. Again, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. And that's it. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Those are all GlitterFallout. You guys are super, super rock stars. I love you so, so much with my heart and with my hair. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.